In terms of the economy, it has been tough, but Meru as a county is a very dynamic county. In regards to agriculture, they have a lot in plenty. So I would say that the county itself has been able to cushion itself in regards to the tough economic times, and that's how we've been able to get in the locals to come in and be tenants and also come and enjoy and have an experience in the mall. And it has been exciting, onboarding the brands and just trying to work around to cushion the current economic challenges we are facing as a country.
So it's a great time. I know it's a festive time, and we have both visitors within Meru and visitors coming outside Meru to come and do shopping at the mall. So one of the benefits is that you're able to get a mixture of customers or even potential customers within this venue, because you realize in malls is where most people visit, so that's what we are calling visitors to the mall. You're able to maybe sell to them your goods or services, and also you're able to meet your customers who've been interacting with you, and this is like a one-stop shop. When you're coming to the mall at this festive time and the time we're doing the expo, it's like a one-stop shop where you can get all that you need. There will be financial institutions, you'll have marketers, you'll have people in hospitality. So instead of walking around so many kilometers looking for what you want, you're able to get it within this location.
Meru is strategically placed naturally it is strategically placed, and it connects and it communicates with a lot of other counties nearby. So Meru is practically a hub, and it is getting better and better as the day progresses as far as the business is concerned, especially when we talk about healthcare arena over here. The other businesses are also thriving, and that's where we are over here creating the synergies with the help of this expo. And again, the Greenwood City Mall, it is again strategically placed as well. So all the strategies, they are coming together to create all those synergies and the energies flowing together in the same direction.
I would like to extend my appreciation to the realtors who have created this opportunity for us and the Greenwood Mall. We are so grateful. What I would like to say is to encourage all the entrepreneurs to join us in this event and learn from those who have thrived in business. I believe there are a lot of things to learn from our fellow entrepreneurs.
Business have not been doing well, considering the economic crisis is a countrywide issue. But we're struggling, we're looking forward to positive outcome. Considering it's a festive season, we look forward to people come on board to shop, because we know we have a culture of saving for the Christmas, for the festive seasons.